Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Daisy. Yeah, so in today's video, I'm going to be filming about my travels preparation. Yeah, after almost 2 years in the UK, I'm stepping out of the United Kingdom for the very first time. Don't get me wrong, I've traveled out of my zone, but this time around I'm going to be stepping out of the United Kingdom, and you know what I mean. Your baby girl is off for the elderly lifestyle travel vlogs and all that. So guys, you might want to stay glued to this channel because a lot of interesting stuff is going to be unwrapping and coming up as how we vlog in every part of this journey. So as part of the preparation, guys, I ordered some items on Temu that is going to help me achieve a stress-free and successful vacation and travel vlog. So to start with, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the items. So guys, let's go together. As a matter of fact, my travel date is almost very close, but I just had to order with one feel that it's gonna be painful because I'm gonna be away for quite some times, yeah. So it's gonna be painful if this item got delivered after my travel date. I just use some. I'm like, okay, between 4 to 5 working days it's supposed to come. If otherwise, it means the orders is gonna be delivered while I'm away. It's gonna be painful because majority of the items here are strictly for the vacation and nothing else. So yeah, let's dive into the video without further ado. So here comes is not too big a package, not too small. So it's like what you call it, a medium package. So let's unbox together, and our same logo already. Guys, let's dive in. Of a lefty. Look at the way my hand is bent. Hey guys, so I'm going to be starting with my 51 inches tripod. Yeah guys, so I got this tripod. I hope it fits into my bag. I got this tripod because of this journey here. So let's see what we got. So this one is 51 inches. Yeah, as you can see from it. Let's see what's inside because I really hope it serves the purpose. So if you ask me, I can't go with my ring light because where I'm going, I'm not going to give out my location now. If you can guess right in the comment section before the next vlog where I'll be telling you my location, I'll give you something. Yeah, but anybody that already knows, hey, about my travel vacation plan is not qualified to be in the drop. So drop where you think I'll be going. Then there's that name of the country I'll be going or countries I'll be visiting. Let me know in the comment section. So this is the 51 inches, yeah, tripod. Guys, look at it. Can you see this? This is the phone holder and this is the tripod. As you all know, I've got the ring light, but to be too much because the rules is just too much. There is luggage allowance, and I'm not sure ring light alone if I should pack it. If I should pack my ring light alone, it's something else. So I just have to minimize the available space. So this is the tripod, and yeah, this is it. And yeah guys, I'm really investing on this channel. You guys should be watching my video and be sharing it with your loved ones, please. So yeah, I want to see if it's guys so it should still go down than this. There should be something I don't know, but I feel like okay, this is the standard. This will be attached to here. So I believe oh guys, can you see? It's from the bottom. So if you want it again, and if you want it again, guys, this really makes sense. Can you see? It's from the bottom, like, I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm going to mount it for you to see. I'm really so excited now. I'm really, really so excited. Also, the next item here is this. I guess this should be my sunglasses here. So there's this sunglasses I hold that is luxury. Forget, it's not all this cheap stuff. It's very expensive, so expensive, and it's freaking luxury. Yeah, I know, guys. I just know it. Look, let me remove this so we can, yeah, unbox it together. Guys, can you see? Shader loss, that is shade in luxury. That's the name. And let's see, guys, can you see? Even the case is speaking luxury. It comes with white, that is the glass cleaner, and here, and here, guys, can you see? Package don't come too much like this, guys. I don't know if it's given, guys. It's given, and it's just available in two. I don't really like dark shade. It's like color black, but it's only available in pure white. I'm like, pure white looks like a weather something, so I mean, yeah. So this is it. I'm just gonna use it like that. I don't know if, do you think it's giving the luxury it's claimed to be? Because this is actually expensive. I don't know if it's actually giving the luxury. Let me know what you think in the comment section, guys. Do you think it's giving luxury? Or it's just there? Yeah. So that's that about that. I'll take it. I'll put it back in the. I'll put it back in the case here. That's that about. One thing about unboxing is you're gonna have a lot of rubbish in your house. I'm so disposing everything today. Nothing's sticking in my house. Guys, I told you guys. As a matter of fact, like I said, I ordered quite late because I was thinking, what if it doesn't come? So I have to pick the one that is like most needed. Like the other one that I can easily substitute stuff for, because I've picked a lot of stuff. The other one that I can easily substitute stuff for, I just had to let them go. Guys, look at this. This another thing. So it's sunglasses case. Yeah. So this will be in my hand in case you love to travel and you want to change your sunglasses. So this is case of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think it's up to 6, but I'm like 5 is okay. I might not even hold up to 5. So this is something you can hold in your hands to the airport, okay, or put in your bag. So this is how to open it, guys. Can you see? So it's like glasses case for your travel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I bought the one of 5. I think it started from 3. Can you see? So you put your glasses and hang it in your hotel room. When you come back, you can even put it in your room like this. Guys, can you see? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, and this chandelier goes into one. I'll remove it from the case. Can you see, guys? So that is that. So if in case I want to be changing my sunglasses, guys. So what's summer vacation without sunglasses? Can you see? So this is, I think it's okay. It's exact as what was shown on the website. So that's item number 3, guys. Item number 3. This one will be painful. I think if this doesn't come on time, it will be painful because I do not really have any summer stuff, honestly, and definitely What is summer vacation without visiting the beaches? So I'm going to be visiting the beaches, and definitely it is needed. Guys, I just saw something. I'm not happy. Do you know this bag looks so very big on the what is this? Tell me what exactly is this now, eh? Even this one will not contain my phone. What exactly is this? What in the name of, I don't know what to call this, but whatever this is, it's rubbish. It's looking like a miniature. Guys, if you want to see it on the website, it's looking very big. I hope the cap is not as the back. Can you say, well, maybe I will just put my phone and Bluetooth. That's the only thing. AirPod and phone, that's the only thing this will be useful for. So I think I was already planning I'm going to rock the bag, like, but it's too small for me, so I'll give it a 0. Guys, do you remember all this onion seller cap? So this one as well, guys. So this one thing about this is got, in case the breeze wants to blow it, so it's got this. Yeah, so I think this is not bad, but the bag is the no for me. Can you see the bag is really small and it's not giving the vibe I expected it to give. This is really too small, like a jewelry box or something. It's really too small for the money, so I don't like it at all. So the last but not the least item on this is this, and I will say it's the most useful because it's going to help me with my luggage allowance. Because let me show you what it is. So it's a compressing, it's your luggage compressing nylon, and I think I bought the one of 10 pieces of, is it maybe the one of 10 piece or 10 pieces or 6 pieces, I can't remember. I will know now. So this is a luggage compressing nylon, like it will allow your luggage to sit well in your bag and compress it. So this is it. I don't know how many pieces I bought, but I will check now. Let's check together. And it comes with hand pump. This is very expensive. If you are the type that once you put your bag in your box, it pops off and it accommodates or accumulates all the spaces. You surely need this, and I will show you how to use it. Okay guys, so let's first of all remove, this is the hand pump that is going to compress it. I'm going to show you the process, don't worry. And we are going to be using our tripod as we zoom like that. So this is something, I think I bought the one of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I bought the one of 6 pieces. Oh my god. It's 6 pieces, oh guys, so let's not cost for alarm. It is what it is. So now I'll practicalize how to use one so that you can see, just in case we want to back. Okay guys, it is it. Oh, this is big. Oh my god, this is so big. Oh my god, what am I doing? I bought the bigger size. Guys, can you see? This is even bigger than the box. So what I'm going to do is, I'm not going to put too much inside one. Open. This is how to open. So if I want to open now, so guys, I'll end this unboxing vlog here while I will show us how I will demonstrate how to use this. Okay guys, in case you want to buy, guys, you might need the smaller size. I bought the bigger size and it's too big. This is even bigger than my luggage, which means I'm not going to be filling it up. Okay, let me show you how to, guys. These are the things I'm trying to fit in, but I'm still going to do some dropping. These are all the things I wish I can take along, but in case there is no space, I'm going to be reducing till the most important items follows me. So we're going to be using this compressing bag technique. Let's see how it's being used. to end this vlog now. That's that about the compressing nylon and all the items I ordered on Temu for my vacation. Don't forget to drop where you think I might be going in the comment section and wait to see if you are the lucky guesser when I fully drop the vlog of where I'm headed. I love you guys. I remain your baby girl, Daisy. Bye.